Okay guys, today we're going to show one of the newer coaches in the lineup of Newmar. It is the Northern Star, and it comes in 4 different models as well, 4 different floor plans. And today we're going to tour the 3709, and I'm going to do the outside as normal, and we'll let Stacie do the inside. So we'll start on the outside today. Okay, so let's take a look at the outside here. Here's the first bay on the passenger side. And wow, it's a big old storage bay. I'm sure plenty of room. If you wanted to put a bigger size cooler here, you could, and get a track system. That's what I would do. Here is another one, and this is a pass-through all the way. This coach has a ton of storage on the outside anyway, and here's another pass-through storage. And again, you can option these in with trays if you want. And what you're seeing there is they give you extra tile always if the coach has tile on the inside just in case something happens to one.
And your vacuum system.
Oh, and the vacuum system. Yep, and look, here's that electrical panel. This is, this coach here is the entry-level diesel pusher for the Newmar lineup. And I mean, for this kind of electrical system on these coaches, that's just unheard of. It's awesome. Right here is just a little cubby like we have, kind of like, and this is where we, like I said, this is on, for us, we put our water softener and stuff in this bay. And then the one, I'm not going to open this up right here because they've got plants in front of it, but it's your chassis batteries right there. Okay, these, or at least this one's on a Freightliner chassis with a 360 horsepower engine, diesel. Comes with a ladder on the back. And this is where it's going to get challenging. Where we don't have a lot of room. So there's a little storage here. Right here, this is a little different than ours. This is a surge protector that's always built in. Of course, we always recommend to get an external surge protector as well. You'd much rather have something blow on your external surge protector instead of this, just in case. But yes, it's nice they come with one. So then you'll be double protected if you have one on the outside. Here's your def, and again, it's on the correct side. And look at this. There's where you can put your stinky slinky. I like that. Okay, now it's going to get tight.
It's a deep slide.
Very deep. Here's the wet bay. I don't know if Stacie can really get that. Now this, it has a black tank flush, and then your water supply. Again, your filter, easy to get to. But in here, you can see it's different than the New Air. Here's your, where you hook your hose up, and it goes through the bottom of the floor. Unlike in the New Air, where it's down underneath.
For the sewer.
For the sewer. This is just the other side of all these big bays here. I'm not going to do the next one because it's just the same pass-through storage. And then this one is your batteries. These are your house batteries, which there are 6 deep cycle batteries in this one. And of course your propane tank. This is not all electric like the New Air. This is, you know, gas and electric. So that, you know, you use your gas again for heating and water heating and stuff like that. That's gonna, oh, one more bay. Again, this is where you have a lot of your fuses. Most of them chassis oriented. There we go. That concludes the outside, and now Stacie will take you through the inside.
Okay, before we get started on the rest of the interior of this Northern Star 3709, thought I'd give you a look at the driver's area, the cockpit. This is on a Freightliner chassis, so they remind you that you've got access to Freightliner support through their 24/7 app, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You've got your jack controls over here, all automatic. You've got your transmission controls all over here, as well as your engine brake, single stage engine brake right here. You've got all your sound stuff, your GPS, all of that sits right up in here. And you can also start the generator from here, work your shades, airflow from the dash AC, all of that at easy reach, as well as a pad for your phone charger.
Yep, and that's a digital in front like we have.
Yes, a digital dash that Freightliner is doing now, where you have everything, access to everything. You can scroll through the options right from here. You can also do CarPlay and Android Auto right here. You can wirelessly connect to this system. All right, let's continue in, shall we? So look how much room there is in this coach. I mean, you could have a serious dance party in here, and there's actually a drop-down bunk right above Tom's head if you need to sleep more people. But let's look at the interior here. You've got your televator right here. The television will come up. You've got a fireplace right here. And look at this. This is something new that Newmar's been doing. The upper cabinets and the lower cabinets are different colors. You can do that now. We love that as an option. You've got storage up in here. This is your audiovisual cabinet here. You've also got more storage down here on either side of the fireplace. You've got a Whirlpool microwave convection oven. And this is a propane unit. It's not all electric. So you've got a 3-burner gas cooktop with the cover, so you can just use this for prep space if you want to. You've got tons of drawers here that are huge. 3 big ones. I mean, look how big that is. Oh my goodness, guys. And then you've got some smaller ones here, but again, very, very deep. You can hold a lot of stuff in there. You've got your sink right here that also has covers. It is a single large rectangular stainless steel sink, similar to what we have. I'm going to put this back using my non-dominant hand, and that's not working very well. There we go. All right. The pink, by the way, is this unit has been
Winterized.
Winterized, thank you. So that's what the pink is. Got more cabinet space down here, as well as a hidden place for your trash can. Sponge drawer. And over here, you've got more uppers over here. This is all one big cabinet with 3 access points. They've done theater seating here. All of these windows, got big windows all the way around. They all open, so great for airflow on a nice day. You do have some storage underneath your booth dinette. And you've got a half bath. Now Newmar does, on a lot of their half baths, the midship, you're going to have it on a hinge here so that it's easier to open and close the door when your slides are in and you're in transit, so you can use this restroom as you're driving. Well, not as you're driving. Your passenger can use this restroom. But here's your half bath. And this is an ATC panel. Now look at this, guys. Here, right here in the middle of the ship, you can control just about everything. You can see on your home setting, you can turn on and off your water pump. You can see your charge for your house and chassis batteries. You can see your levels for your fresh gray and black water tanks, as well as your LPG, your gas. You can turn on and off your lights for your living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. You can lift up the TV, put it down. You have access to your auto generator start information right here. Here's your HVAC system. You can adjust your heating and cooling right here. And this is what's really cool. You now, with this coach, you can download either Google Play Store or the App Store on Apple. You can download a Newmar app. You can pair it to your coach, and you can control all of these things right from your mobile device. That's pretty sweet. I like that. You've got a Whirlpool, full-size Whirlpool refrigerator freezer with indoor ice and water. So I just used this panel to turn on the lights in the bedroom. And let's come on back. You've got a closet right here. You've got drawers down underneath. There's another audiovisual cabinet there, as well as drawers. You've got 5 drawers right here. Your TV in the middle. It's a Samsung TV. And then another closet right over here.
Wardrobe closet.
Yeah. You got a king-size bed. There are plugs on either side. Let's see. They are regular plugs with also USB connections. And in fact, it looks to me like there might be a new version USB on there as well. It's hard to see because it's dark right there. But you've got storage that goes all the way across. If you use a CPAP machine, by the way, Newmar puts electrical plugs and a drop-down connection, so you could put your machine up here in this cabinet, have the hoses drop down right here, so you don't have to have everything right next to you taking up space.
And that's on both sides, right?
It's on both sides. And then coming into the bathroom, this is the main bathroom. This is a bath-and-a-half unit. But let me turn on the lights. Whoa. First thing I want to show you back here is the egress door. Newmar puts in egress doors for safety. You don't have to climb out a window in case of emergency. You just can open this door. There's a ladder that comes out, and you can climb right out a lot easier than climbing out of a window. And it's only able to open and lock from the inside, so that's great. You've got your toilet. Here is your full-size, well, full-size by RV standards, washer and dryer. Splendid, same thing we have, works absolutely great. We've been using it for over 3 years now. Works really well. Here's your sink space with deep storage over the sink. Got a plug right there. Lots of counter space. More storage underneath, as well as a couple of drawers. And then here's the shower. It's a one-piece shower with a skylight and 2 shower heads on it. Let me get in here and just kind of see what it's like. Yeah, I mean, I can't even reach the ceiling right here because of the skylight. And it's got a built-in bench. So pretty darn nice. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of this 2025 Newmar Northern Star. And I hope you'll check out some of our other tours. We don't do a lot of RV tours, but this time we're making an exception because we get so many questions about our experience with our coach, which is a 2021 Newmar New Air. And we always love looking at the new Newmars, and so we're going to share a few of them with you in this series of videos. Make sure you're subscribed to see more, and we'll see you next time. Safe travels and happy camping. Bye.